Episode 9. All There Is to Unlearn. Old habits die hard. We have all invested a lifetime learning with the sole objective of trying to be right. Often our jobs require that we be always right and that we certify our expertise. But in this new mindset, to even start innovating, you may need to accept that you are most likely wrong from the start. It will take some unlearning. Each video in this series introduces one idea to help you wrestle with what you may need to unlearn. The following ideas extracted from the videos you have just seen can help. 1. I have hinted that innovating is a process of exploration. The difficulty with any kind of exploration is keeping yourself honest and open-minded. I find it useful to remind myself that there's a few things we, humans, are really bad at, and some that we are really good at. Here they go. We're notoriously bad at having good ideas in just one go. We're bad at inventing something entirely from scratch. We are horrible at predicting the future. And we're even worse at remembering how bad we are at predicting the future. And then there is the things we are actually good at. We are really good at coming up with hunches. We're really good at reusing stuff. We excel at saying that something will not work. And we truly enjoy storytelling. 2. I invited you to let go of the idea of fail fast and to replace it for a pursuit of excellence. What I'm asking you to do is to build companies and projects that fail to fail. 3. I have offered you an alternative to all the innovation and entrepreneurship frameworks that require you to settle on the product and the user before you even start. We spoke about prototyping problems and advancing a portfolio of solutions. 4. We distinguish between focusing and narrowing. You can focus on the problem and keep a space of options open. Your risk goes up if you narrow your options. 5. Our own garage story suggests that there was a time in which we did not believe that spending little by little was how you funded big projects. This may have important implications for how you decide to fund projects going forward. At the very least, it may help calibrate the real risk behind stringing along projects with little amounts of funding. 6. There's many more ideas we only touched on partially, like how to create value from the technology shelf, repurposing technologies, other ways to prototype problems, the difference between precision and accuracy, the curse of hindsight, and the true meaning of scale-up, to name some. You can learn more about many of those from the book, Innovating: A Doer's Manifesto, or following my work. There is just this one idea I told you about at the very start of this series of videos that I would like to come back to. We are sitting on a gold mine of underutilized technologies. That's the last video in this series.